unboxing the new live-action Ahsoka series Ezra Bridger Saber with modifications by Sabine from Parsecsabers. Yeah, I already opened it and had a little look. I just love it. It just looks so cool. It came in protective kind of like film around it, but I had to take it off and have a look because it's just so cool and I'm so keen for it. What am I wearing for this? This whole thing? This is random. This is unrelated to anything. This is a random old thing.
What are you talking about? Wait, Jeffy, why are you making that face?
It's just absolutely beautiful. Like just the detail on this. I just love this bit as well. The Sabine modifications, the main ones. So as a massive Ezra Bridger fan, I know what Ezra Sabers looks like. And I say translation to live action. What they've done with this one is, I think, just generic translation to live action. What they've done with this one is kind of got a curve on these bits here and 2 bolts in there. But then the Sabine modifications are clearly the emitter points here, possibly this little bit here, not too sure, but the rest of it is Ezra Saber. I mean, he does have this bit at an angle quite often. It is Ezra Saber, modified by Sabine. Canonically in live action, it's beautiful, I love it, it's so cool. Now before I put the blade in as well, I also noticed that they have an exchangeable emitter. So you can take this bit off, and you can put this bit on. And that basically turns it into a display version of Ezra's Saber, because this is just a standard Ezra Saber look to it. I think as well with these little holes on here, you can take off these 2 emitter parts and put them onto here, so then it has the smaller kind of bit here, whereas this is obviously made to fit a lightsaber in. But as it is like that, it's Ezra Saber. If you overlook, it's these 2 parts, which are either modified by Sabine or just added for live action, and this kind of curve on the bottom here compared to being just a chunky kind of bit. Also unsure if that's a Sabine modification or just a live action translation modification. But then that's basically Ezra Saber, and it's so cool. I just absolutely love it. Let's put the blade in. Now before I turn it on, take out the inside. And there is an on and off kill switch in here for safety. Place it back in gently. And the button is nicely hidden amongst this kind of panel here. See if we can get it onto green. It's actually one of the coolest red blade ignitions I've seen actually. There we go. It also seems like the fastest blade ignition I've seen on any of my multiple like 15 sabers. With smooth swing, the clash effects, just absolutely beautiful. Love this saber. I also want to say a big shout out to Parsecsabers for sending me this. I really wanted this saber for upcoming Secret Con to take with me with my completely random look.
What are you talking about?
Concept, homemade concept of Ezra, kind of.
Be quiet! Shut up!
And a lot of companies with the new Sabine / Ezra Saber were in a bit of a backlog and it wouldn't arrive until the end of September, sometime in August. But Parsecsabers, absolutely amazing, managed to get this sent out to me way ahead of time. So I really appreciate that. Customer service, amazing, really helpful, really friendly. Definitely check them out. Also use the discount code on the screen.